holding a picture. Okay, so. Oy! So, sino ang score nun? Sino ang score nun? Did I do it? Hindi ko lang alam. Sa settings mo? Kung sino ang ayaw sa'yo. Sure? Ayaw, wala. Ate Maribel! Bang yun, kung out, sinong i-score dun? Sa baba lang daw. Out. Alpha! Goal! Oh, scorer! Sorry. Oh, I didn't hear the tip. I know, he hit. I don't hear the tip. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I didn't hear a beep. Oh, I needed that too. You don't need this. Come on. You got this one. So you got the block. Hui! Good job, man. 2 years in a row. Arrow yun. Sino ba yung lumipat na bilipat mo? Tama ba? Oo. Ayun tayo! Igor of Pride! Ha? Ano? Kaya bumuwi ako eh. Number 5 on the Alphas. Another service for number 5. Wala tayo laro dyan? Wala. Last na po. Wala ito dito na. Jay Barrero. Tarumaw. JB. Bigay kaya number 7. Outside. Point by the bridge. Nasa mo. I'll take one. I'm done. Oh, okay. JB. Goodbye. JB with that helper, huh? Four by the bridge. Server. Huh? Yeah. So it's your seven. Point by Alpha. Score is 5-3. In favor of Alpha. Ikaw na, Bre? He's the score. Point by Why not with this one? No, because they also go 17. My son is at 1. Yeah, but that's how they go. 8-3 in favor of Alpha. Tadayo na! Pride na Norwich! With that sharp serve going to Maribel! Services! That's what I said! Yeah, that's what I said. I said that. What I said? I said that. Yeah, ball! Kaya naman! Kaya! Alright, 11-3 in favor of Alpha. No, it's your ate channel fault. Kaya, sorry JB, kasalanan niya na JB. Captain. Hindi mo ako nag-gusto.
Malaw mo.
Oy! Oy, TV!
Tama.
Muna ni sasaksakan.
Hindi. Sige, go. Go. Proceed. Nandito pa rin yung ano natin. 11-5. Number 9, setting. Tokara. Simpleng palo lang. Rene. Lugatiman. Tokara. JB. Barza. Konting ano lang. Pinik lang. Miki. Setting. Choco. Simpleng palo. Tera. Sumigaw. Number 2. Tumalo. Aroma. Tumako. Ng kanyang Milo.
Because not working. It's not working. It's 5%.
Last one.
Easy na para sa third.
Namomotivate ang mga customers.
12-5. In favor of
Barza, serving, Miki, setting, Choco.
Ay, grabe naman yun.
Choco, with the hindi sinasadya.
Rowan, Nikini to serve.
Choco na naman, pumalong, serve. Receive, JB. Barza, moving it back. Tarungan with the receive. Miki to Rene. 13 over 6.
Mr. Barca to serve.
Mr. Barza.
iPad is going to happen.
Ano daw?
Oo nga. No. Nag-serve pala silang, sorry. My bad. So yung rotation yung kaya na sige to serve.
Rotation!
Rotation error.
So, points na.
Point na please.
Rotation clock. Point goes to Ipswich. Chelo kasi. Never pay attention. Miki! Service. Setting number 2. Pinalo! Bumawi! Hello, this boy Jack. Ate Kyra on the service station.
It's Barca to serve.
Pinalo, Choco receive. Walang nakahabol.
Point by Alpha. 57.
Ate Kyra, another service. Pinalo, simple lang. Choco receive. Walang gustong tumalo sa Ipswich. Pero sa Norris, gustong tumalo sa Norris. Point to number 2.
It's Barca is still serving.
Tama na, kaya na. Last na yan. Last na. Jump serve kasi. Nikki with the receive. Lumakiman, ayaw magpalo. By number 2.
Miss Barca still serving.
Jump
17
serve. Jump serve. Ano ba yan? Outside.
Point by Ipswich. It's now 17-8.
Kung jump serve yun, pasok.
Ipswich.
Rene, on the service station.
He's going to die.
Oh yeah, we're playing next week.
Yeah. He's going to die.
Is it?
5%. Right. He's always first. Never
This memory is more than we'll just do it by hand.
Alpha to serve. Mr. number 2 serving.
Naubos ang kanyang follow power. Gusto niya spike lang, hindi sa ano. Ayaw niya mag-serve. Lugatiman ng service line. Serve. Go. Konting palo. Received by Ate Kyra. Set. JB. Now. By Tasha.
Where's that?
sila wanna play.
Service.
You asked about it.
Kaya! Nasayang ang kanyang pag-dive.
11-18. Yun na. Hindi na. Miss number 4 to serve, Team Alpha.
Tawag. In. 38. By number 4. Ano ba rin? Sino rin sa B? Number 4 on the service line. Pasok. Receive by Rene. Choco. Setting to Paruma. Vini. Receive. Number 9. Net touch. Net touch by JD.
Let's touch.
Ba't pa kasi nag-jet ng goal play? Nag-jet eh. Ate Marife, asawa ni Hammer. Setting, serving, number 9. Meron para by number 8, JD. Ha? Sabi ko lang, wow! Receive to Katimans, well setting to Rene. Ay, kay Carlota. Pinalo!
Team Alpha.
Kuya, Sandero, anong number mo? 5. Bibigyan ka daw ng raffle prize.
We go have his outfit.
Nice serve! Setting is well.
Legendary.
Di ba yun over the backwards? Ano? Di ba? Nag-stepping siya. Kyra, unable to retain the ball.
There's always something every year.
Jeppy, ano ba yung role? Stepping lang o buong foot? Buong foot o stepping lang? Hindi, pero nag-stepping lang. Choco on the service. Received by number 5. Number 5. Next na kayo.
How is that game?
Number 5 on the service. Receive. Tumakon. So service. 9. Another service ace. Ano daw number mo? Ay, ikot ng number. Ano number mo? Number 9. Dalawa. May high five ka na mamaya. Receive by Rene! Hoy! Tumakon! Natamaan ang Ano ba yan, Rene? Number 9, receive by Rene. Sinay na yung Katiman. Out na sana yun, pero out ito pa rin namin ni Kyra. Sven, Carlota.
We have a car. We have 4 of us.
98.
5-2 in favor of the play.
We replaced the 4.
Tagal?
You can't sleep in the floor last time. There's enough to bring.
Did the Boom Stars some sleepover last time? That's all.
We should have played one more game.
Grabe yung vlog ni Nikki! Nakatayo lang. Aero.
What's the score? I died. What's the score? I died. What's the score?
3-5. Wala na tayong TV ah.
Team Alpha to serve.
Wala. Secret.
Ala, lumabas na yung ano mo.
6-3.
6-3. In favor of Alpha.
Meron.
Sino nakakulit?
Ako.
Baka makita namin yung scandal mo ba?
Okay lang. Ano yung alphas?
Alpha is 1, 4, 5, 6, and then the 4.
May rally na. Score by Team Alpha. Ano yung ano dyan?
7,
Wait, Alpha.
4-7 in favor of
It's 7-4 in favor of Team Alpha. Eight more in favor of Team Alpha.
Another service by Dini. Choco receiving. Jana setting to Sven Pumano. Receiving number something. Dinalik lang number 6. Choco another receive. Setting. Jana to the Katiman. Racing lang. Set kay Kyra. Toss lang. Ang galing ni Kyra. Anong tawag doon? She's a tosser.
9-4.
Yun na yung tawag doon. Warat passer. Uy, nagkatihan si ano, yung second ball. Number 6, Pumano, receive Carlota. Jana, to Carlota. Pumano, nakapalo sa wakas. Posa na siya. Point to Carlota. Kanina pa kami mali si Carlota na Pumano eh.
Highlight in favor of Alpha.
Ang blue is Alpha. I mean, ang blue, kabila. Lumatiman, receive and serving. Number 6, Capalo. Choco, receiving. Following again ng Choco. Following. Receiving. Carlota. Setting to Jana. Carlota. Pinalo ni Choco. Number 6, pinalik lang. Jana, to Sven.
6-9 in favor of Alpha still. Very nice.
Another serve. Unable to connect. Eto na yung tosser naman oh. Alphas. Nikki with the receive. Put back the number. Siya.
Nene. Lipa.
Kaya on the service line. Good shot, serve. Oh, malas ako.
Orange.
12, 6.
Check mo sila Ryan.
12-6 in favor of Alpha.
Hindi ko man, may mga 2 oras pa to. May badminton pa kasi.
Umawi! Ang Jowa ni Pili. Binaulan. Binaulan ang Jowa ni Pili.
Hoy! Ano yan ah? Pillow talk yan, JP ah. Choco, receive. Setting to Carlota. Nakapala na naman. Number 12. Grabe ang effort ni Nicky. Jeffrey with the catwalk.
Point by Alpha.
14 minutes.
49.
14-9. Tapusin nyo na daw. Pati-pati na yung badminton players. Wow! Grabe yung receive.
Dali na.
Di effective. Okay, sir. Choco receives. Sven, sa kabila. 9. Rukumbero. Sven, Carlota, Bialik.
Uuwi na lalapat si Carlota siya.
What's that? Land. Next shot on 2 feet.
How high is the net? Uy, si Choco! Mr. Greenhorn on the serve. Si Elmer si Marife, kung siya no.
Tinatanong ko paano ito mag-lapit.
How to be you po. Carlota's efforts are wasted. Substitution! Uy, si Rene, ay no, si Rene. Palitan si Nicky, nagkakaroon na sa'yo. Joke lang, joke lang. Pagod na din si Choco.
Ay, Alpha.
Number 5 on the serve. Uy, wala kayong blocker. Alphas, wala na papalo. Wala siya ng blocker. Si Kyra lang ang papalo. Tsaka si Billy. Hey! Ay, yaman to. Napay ko eh.
Ginabit na.
Uy, ni Sven! Ipakita, binubuhan! Naimas na glutong mga nangos!
Game point. Game point. Alpha. 20-11.
Here come Mr. and Mrs. Janice! And James! North! James! Uy! Uy, si Rick!